Unboxing. So as always with Edifier, the unboxing experience is super clean and professional. Everything was double box protection. And inside we have the speakers, speaker stands, a power cable, a USB-C cable, and AUX cables. All the essentials to get you set up and running right out of the box. The M60 speakers themselves have a lovely compact design, measuring just 100mm wide by 168mm high, making them ideal for any desktop or small space audio setup. Despite the small size, the build quality is solid. Each speaker is encased in a handcrafted wooden cabinet. Not only looks great, but also enhances the sound quality by reducing vibrations. The design, as you can see, is sleek and modern, with no unnecessary frills, just clean, elegant lines that really make them fit seamlessly into any setup.